Hi there, this is a video for Kelly, and if you're not Kelly, go away, because you were probably on YouTube looking for a cute video of a kitten or something. Anyways, Kelly, I think I have it figured out. What they failed to tell you in this is, in addition to the chain of 66 that they tell you to do, you need to do an additional 3 that will count as your turning chain. So what I've done is I've done 1 multiple of 18, plus the 12 that they asked for, plus 3 more. And then to start off, you go into the 4th chain from the hook, and that should get you going. So I've got 18 plus 12 plus 3. Wrap your yarn around, go into the 4th chain from the hook, and do a double crochet. And that is your first 2 double crochets of the pattern. Then it's telling you to skip 2. This row 1 you're reading from right to left, by the way. So you're skipping 2, and then it asks you to do the 2 double crochets joined together. So what you do, we're going to skip 1, 2, and go into this one. So you wrap your yarn around, go into the stitch, and pull through as though you're going to do a normal double crochet. Pull through 2. Leave these 2 on here. Skip 2 chains, go into the next one, wrap your yarn around, put it in the stitch, pull it through, yarn over and pull through 2. You have 3 left on your hook. Wrap and pull through all 3, and that's your 2 double crochets together. Usually there isn't a skip in between that, but I guess just for this pattern that's how they want it. Then you're going to skip 2 more chains, and this is where you're going to do the pattern of a double crochet. So you go in, do your double crochet, chain 2, and in the very same stitch you're going to do another double crochet. This is the only time that it's like this, is for the first row, because there isn't anything else to put that pattern into except the chain. Then you're going to skip 2 more, and you're going to do the 2 double crochets together again. So wrap your yarn, put it through as though you're going to do a normal double crochet. Wrap your yarn again, skip 2, 1, 2, go into this 3rd one, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 2. You should have 3 left on your hook. Wrap and pull through all 3. Now you're going to skip 2, and you're going to do that pattern of double crochet, chain, double crochet. So you double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet again into that same stitch. Skip 2, and this is where you're going to do the double crochets together. So you wrap, put it through, pull through your yarn, wrap, pull through 2, leave these 2 on here, skip 2, wrap, put it through, pull through 2, and now you should have 3 left on, wrap, pull through all 3. And that's the end of your pattern. And at the very end it's telling you to skip 2, 1, 2, and then do 2 double crochets at the very end of the line. So you're going to do 1, and 2. There's different ways to work your very first row. Some people only go through the very top string, and some people go through like normal with 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. And then I've also seen where you go through the chain on the back, which actually is the nicest, but for this I didn't want to fool around with doing that to show you. So there's your last double crochet. So there's your first row. And you can sort of see the pattern taking shape with the V's sticking down. And at the end of every row you're going to chain 3 and turn, and that chain 3 counts as the first double crochet of the next row. So I'll do that now. Chain 3, whoops, 1, 2, 3, and sometimes I'll mark the top of that chain because that's actually a stitch. And that way when you come across again, I usually mark it like this. Because sometimes in these patterns it can get really confusing. So then when you come across, you'll know where your first stitch is. You turn your work, and then you're going to start on row 2. And row 2 works from the pattern from left to right, and it shows, the very beginning of it shows the chain of 3, which is the 3 dots, and then it shows a double crochet in the very next stitch. So there's your chain 3, and then the double crochet will go in this very next stitch, but we're going to do that next time because this is the end of my first video. Woohoo! Good luck!